Hello everyone. My immunity is strongest. Self-care is the new healthcare. Welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. We are glad we have Shalu Aryan and Sonal Rathi with us today. Today they have the experts in the areas of Ayurvedic products and their company is Bio Research. Welcome you both on the show.
Thank you, Rashi. Thank you for having us.
Shalu Shri Aryan, mother of 2 kids, a chef, a baker, and has a degree in international marketing. She is one of the founders of Bio Research. Sonal Rathi, mother of 3 kids. That's absolutely wow. You don't look. And she's an artist, has a degree in fashion designing. It's so amazing that you two both have vast degrees and you are doing this wonderful job of Ayurvedic products and herbal products. Tell us something about your company, both of you, and what are the kind of products you're making?
So, Rashi, Bio Research is an offshoot of a 4th generation group called BLS. So, Ayurveda has always been a way of our lifestyle. We've always taken a keen interest in plants, herbs, natural remedies. Every time, somebody in the family has taken ill. So, we've always been one with nature. And we've always, at a very early age, inculcated the importance of using natural ingredients like flowers, vegetables, minerals into your day-to-day routine. So this has been very effective and it's been admired by our friends and family. So as you know, Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old science, which is proven and it has no side effects at all. So this natural inclination, along with knowledge from our natural Veda, from our ancient Vedas, Upanishads and scriptures, and of course, a strong business background is what led to the foundation of Bio Research. So Sonal and I, we are one of the founders of the company, and under the very keen and adept leadership of our father, we run the company with him. Bio Research is divided into 3 divisions, namely Anashvara, Padmakesh, and Bio Research. So Anashvara is a range of skincare products. As the name suggests, Anashvara means immortal or everlasting beauty. So we make products like creams, face washes, packs, and we offer a lot of solution for day-to-day skin issues and also for maintenance of very good skin. Padmakesh, known as the lustrous tresses of goddess Lakshmi. That is our hair care range in which we do shampoos, hair oils and hair packs. And Bio Research is our range of Ayurvedic medicines. It's a nutraceutical. It's complementary to any lifestyle, any medication, any problem that you have. And we provide effective long-term permanent solutions to any and all problems. So Bio Research is currently, we are present online. We distribute through our own website, bioresearch.in. We are on Amazon, Flipkart, various e-commerce portals. And we're also distributing across the country offline through many stores.
Awesome. Sonal, you want to put in anything here?
Yeah, I mean, I'd just like to say that Bio Research would like to expand by leaps and bounds because of the enormous love and the amount of positive response that we have got from our clients. It's really amazing. It makes us more of a family with them, more than a business relationship, because they trust us. They completely trust us now. You won't believe a person who would use a small product like a hair wash would come back to us with asking for a full range of our healthcare products. So it is only by trust and by the efficiency of our products that one can be so trusted.
That's awesome. And what kind of immunity products is the company making? You could
so, Rashi,
sorry to interrupt. You could tell us for kids and for women, like, or for the elders and the kids both separately.
I have no doubt in putting it straight that we have the best products one can imagine to boost the immune system. One of our best products, my personal favorite, is our Life Capsule. It's clear to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the main herbs in it are ashwagandha, giloy, shuddh shilajit, and loads of amla. So it is so potent, so amazing and powerful. It increases energy levels, vitality, improves the eyesight, gives a boost to the whole nervous system. And one can feel the difference from the very first day you start using it. Your body will be running like a horse and you'll be wondering, why am I not getting tired? Literally, I'm there. You take on the first day and you see it. And there are no side effects. There are only good effects of Ayurvedic supplements, no side effects whatsoever.
And
And the dosage, yeah, Shalu?
Yeah, so I was just saying, you know, the amla that we put in this product, we use a process called Amalaki Rasayan, in which we use the strength of 50 amla. तो आयुर्वेदा में एक प्रोसीजर होता है, उसको बोलते हैं भावना देना. So over a period of 2 months, 50 amlas उनको भावना देके, all that strength comes into one single form of amla. So ordinarily, if a person were to consume 50 amlas, you know, surely you cannot digest it. You would get like an upset stomach and you would probably throw up. It would taste really bad. So Ayurveda and the knowledge of Ayurveda empowers and equips you to use something like this and to convert it into a form which is readily accepted and absorbed, and your body can benefit by it. So Amalaki Rasayan is what we use in life capsules, which instantly boosts your immunity from the minute it goes into your mouth, and you will start feeling the positive effects of it.
And to add on to that, none of these interfere with any other ongoing medicines. Along with life, we have our Healthy Haldi, which has a very high percentage of curcumin, which provides antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. And it protects the entire body from all viruses, infections, flus, cold, cough, fever. To give a small example, if somebody has a headache often and they tend to take a Combiflam or a Crocin, you try using the haldi powder by mixing with a pinch of black pepper. You can even have it in water if you're boiling dairy or food, whatever suits you. Just take a little bit of haldi along with black pepper, boil it and have it every day. It's like a magic potion which you should give to your kids, to adults, to everybody in the house. I give it even to my staff to even have their immune system and their body at the best capacity.
I agree. If only people around you are safe and they have good immunity, you can ensure your own safety by that. So it's very important to ensure that the entire family and even your support staff maintains a good immunity.
We also have Panch Tulsi. That's made with 5 kinds of tulsi we have prepared, and it is so amazing and powerful. It has again antiviral properties. If you have a stomach infection, you can take it. Acidity, constipation, if there's cold, any kind of issue, you just take 3 to 4 drops in a cup of lukewarm water and have it. Kids can have lesser drops. For adults, they can have 4 to 5 drops. Easy to consume. I want to bring to your notice that most of the infections start from the throat, if you notice. Especially now in times of coronavirus, we know first you get a cold or a cough or an irritated throat. Our mouthwash cum gargle, it has proved to be a savior, even in winter's time when people get a sore throat very often. And not just adults, even school-going kids, when they have too many of, let's say, cold drinks or any other candies or junk food, you tend to get an infection starting from your throat. You just gargle away with this. It's a globe cum gargle, which is really amazing to get the germs immediately out of your throat. You will, from the first time you start to gargle with it. And as you know, clove oil is fantastic. It's a great mouth cleanser. It removes germs and plaque from the teeth as well. I want to show you alkaline powder. We have sachets in it. So because of the kind of food that we eat, our food is acidic, the air, the environment, the water, everything is acidic. To level, we use the alkaline powder. It lets you relief from constipation, you have very nice deep sleep. You won't feel heavy after, let's say, a night of too many drinks, after a heavy night of partying or binging. You know, you went for dinner and you had heavy food or anything like that, or you just ended up overeating, or even a lifestyle where there is nothing else but there is just clean eating if you feel that it's not homegrown but the vegetables are coming from outside. But to make the body alkaline, this is the best powder, and one needs to take one sachet by mixing in a cup or a glass of lukewarm water. So healthy haldi, our gargle ka mouthwash, actually the people who've been using, and they have been calling for it again.
The number you're calling is currently switched off. Please try later. Just now.
Okay, so can you just once again tell us the process of using these immunity products and these, self-care products again, once again?
Yeah, would love to, Rashi. So, like I mentioned before, if you are taking life, believe you me, the name of life is, our intention of giving life is to provide you with more years of life. And only a person who's taken it would believe it. So you should take at least 2 tablets of this every day. These do not interfere with any other ongoing medicine. Along with that, this is something I swear by, and I give not just to my kids, even to the whole staff of the house, by mixing with a pinch of black pepper. I like to give it personally in water. Sometimes for people who like to avoid dairy, that's the best solution. Panch tulsi is to be had 3 to 4 drops by mixing in a glass of lukewarm water. For kids, it can be a smaller dosage. For alkaline powder, you can take 1 sachet by mixing with a glass of lukewarm water, either in the morning or at night. You will not get any sleeplessness, no constipation, no acidity. Your body will be thankful to you for giving birth to new organs.
So you please book my order for all these 4 products. I think Shalu will be sending them across the day. So.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so how COVID has affected you both as entrepreneurs?
So, Rashi, COVID has taken a toll. For the first time, all of mankind is facing the same dilemma. Every single industry is struggling with the same problems. So we have definitely struggled with our offline part of bioresearch. It's affected our distribution, sales because of lockdown restrictions and many. So for those who don't know, bioresearch is available in across the country, all of India. Across many stores, many general stores, and online we are present on many portals being bioresearch.in, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and so on. So we've faced challenges with the offline market, but we are now focusing on online, which I believe is the way moving forward for all industries. For all industries have to find newer solutions and more strategies moving forward. So definitely, maybe it's been a blessing in disguise. We are focusing more on online sales, and also this tough time has reaffirmed our belief in Ayurveda, similar to everybody else around us, because people have benefited greatly. Those who have been afflicted with COVID, and the families which have been unfortunate to fight this battle with COVID, but they have definitely emerged stronger. With bioresearch's support, we have many people who are associated with us, and they've taken our immunity boosting products, and they have benefited greatly from it. So now the world is opening up and waking up to Ayurveda again. India is rediscovering its most ancient science of immunity and medicine. So yeah.
I believe you've also got yourself certified with the Ayush industry.
Absolutely, absolutely. So bioresearch is a GMP certified company. We are licensed by the Ministry of Ayush, and we also have FSSAI licenses for our products like Haldi and many such products.
Oh, that's awesome. Wonderful. So tell me more about your beauty products. I think Shalu, once you had sent me those packs, long back, I think 2 years back or something, and they were just awesome. I'm sure you've made more. Tell us more about it.
Yes, so Rashi, beauty is our strongest market, for gorgeous women like you and everybody else around us. A woman can never be, too beautiful, and she's always looking to, improve her skin or maintain the beautiful skin he or she may have. So in terms of beauty products, we have creams, we have face washes, we have scrubs, we have packs, and we have beauty serums. Sonal, why don't you tell us a little bit more about them?
Yeah, I'm more than excited to introduce our range of beauty products. So I'd love to talk about our Golden Glow series. This is one of my favorites because not a day passes by where I do not get a message or a call from our beloved clients who keep asking for it and keep complimenting these products. So our Golden Glow series basically is made from haldi, pure kesar, Rakt Chandan. And these are in such good qualities and the best of formulations and proportions that they show you the difference in terms of removing acne, scars, even more stubborn spots start fading away. You start getting the youth and the glow back to your skin. So our series consists of Golden Glow face wash, the Golden Glow cream, we have our Golden Glow body wash, and we also have a massage oil with the same ingredients. Besides that, our rose cream is amazing to give that rosy glow to your skin, to remove the pigmentation of your skin. Shilajit face pack is an amazing discovery of bioresearch, which I'm more than proud to say that I haven't seen with any other brand in the market. It is anti-aging because it's got Shuddh Shilajit in it. It's meant to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and give that flawless glow to your skin. It also reduces pigmentation to a very great extent. Our cucumber skin nourishing cream. Oh, only if you could smell it off the screen. The smell is so refreshing and so summery. It helps a lot in reducing the dark circles and giving that fresh, youthful skin. Our rose cream also helps in the same line. Besides that, we also have a sandal face pack for reducing tanning, for closing the pores of the skin, along with the use of pure gulab jal because we don't add fragrance to it. It's a fantastic natural toner. Even if you're feeling hot on a humid day, you don't want to use the cream. Just spray on our pure gulab gel and you will be good to go. You'll feel fresh throughout the day and you do not see open pores. And over a period of few days, you see the difference that the marks start fading away. Your skin tone starts becoming even. So our products, without a doubt, they start showing the difference from the first day of use. I do not say that please try it for 3 months or 6 months. No, because of the efficiency of the products.
So one more thing I'd like to add to this is, Rashi, the main difference between a bioresearch cream or any other cream in the market. So an ordinary cream is, if you may have made from like a polymer compound, like a PVC petroleum compound. So what it does, it forms a thin layer on your skin which blocks your pores, and over time that leads to premature aging. It causes early wrinkles, it leads to a blockage of pores, acne, blackheads. But bioresearch is made from pure beeswax. So we procure pure beeswax and it is added from extracts of natural fruits, natural minerals like shilajit, vegetables like cucumber, and it is just amazing. And like Sonal said, the smell is so wonderful. If only you could smell it, right off the screen. And these products greatly benefit you.
I personally want to add to this that I think I'm a great fan of bioresearch because I think I use these products when you had just started.
Right.
And
Right.
I would call up, Shalu and tell her that Shalu, इसमें ऐसा है, ये इसमें ऐसा हुआ, and she would also take the feedback. And I think it's awesome and it's so good to know that tell me something, both of you, that I'm sure that you believe in women empowerment. How do you encourage that? I mean, are you hiring women in your company? Are you generating employment?
So Rashi, Sonal and I are fortunate enough to be one of the founders of bioresearch, and with such a strong academic background, women empowerment is very, very close to our heart. So one of the initiatives that bioresearch has taken up for women empowerment is that we engage in direct sales throughout the country. So we have a very strong force of women, of 500 women associated with us, and they are the best spokespeople and models for our company because they themselves use the product, and then if they deem fit, they recommend it further to their friends and family. And also this contributes to a major part of their household income, and it helps them with many problems they may be facing in their lives. And bioresearch is a crucial part of their lives in that way.
So, I want to know that are you encouraging new vendors for your company? Because there are a lot of women who call us, from a foundation who are our members, and they, due to COVID or whatever reasons, they have actually lost their business. But they have been, running salons. They are into a lot of. They have been working with the beauty industry. So, are you people open to new vendors?
Yeah, so Rashi, we have our arms wide open and we welcome everybody to become not just a part of bioresearch, to become a family and be a part of it and collectively work towards the good of mankind, because these products are only meant for giving the best benefits of Ayurvedic herbs and nothing else. As you must have seen, our price range is very pocket friendly and the masses, everybody can afford it. So we are very open to having people join us, to having people give us new ideas or suggestions or whatever is whatever can we can do collectively. We are totally open for that.
That's very helpful actually, because we've been getting a lot of queries from women who are actually looking for new work. Probably they want better products and new products, and I'm surely gonna put them across to you. So you're gonna have an army of people who are looking for work, I'm sure.
Please,
So,
please, it would be a pleasure. Absolutely. Yeah.
thank you so much. Okay, so any special offering for our foundation on these products?
We are happy to announce that we extend a special offer of 10% discount for the foundation members because of our association with you.
Thank you so much. And I'm sure that the foundation will be, and the women in the foundation will be really, really happy to avail the offer. So tell me more about what is the process of improvisation for your products, and I mean, how do you handle that? Do you have a special R&D department, or how do you do it?
So Rashi, we have a team of Ayurvedic doctors and scientists on board with bioresearch since the very inception of our company. And we have a dedicated R&D team in which every single product which is initially thought of or formulated by us is greatly researched. It's all based on our Vedas and Upanishads. So after that is done, they are extensively tested in labs, and post that they go for approvals to the Ministry of Ayush, and once the certification comes in place, then that certain product is launched in the market. And we're also very cognizant of the current world situation and for example COVID, and we try and launch products which are relevant to the season, relevant to the ongoing situation. So we have special products which we promote in the summer, in spring, in autumn, in winter, because Ayurveda works on nature around us and how our body reacts to that. So that is also how our company operates. So now in this tough time of COVID, we are focusing on developing extremely potent and beneficial products to boost immunity, span all age groups, across all genders and all age groups.
That's beautiful. So are you people open, like the company is open to internships also? Do you encourage that with young? Because see, all of a sudden the third year students and kids they all have to sit at home. So are you offering online internships also?
So this is something we have also explored in the past, especially with social media and now a lot of online engagement. So we've taken that up in the past, and we would definitely encourage that, and we would like to have young and new ideas and new interns with us in the future as well. So Sonal or I can be contacted in this case, and we would love to have anybody on board.
Oh, thank you so much, and you people have been just awesome. That is the word for you both. So what is the success mantra? Quickly tell me. And I would say, who is the success mantra?
There is no shortcut, only hard work and our belief, our trust in Ayurveda.
Shalu?
I agree. It's actually, Rashi, this is something that is built up over a period of time. So it's consistent dedication and consistent hard work. And it has to be like a devotion to Ayurveda. You have to, it has to be your life. You have to lead by example, and, people come up to you and they wonder what you're doing. And that's how it has to be. You have to believe in it completely. So that is what has worked so far for us.
That's wonderful. So thank you to both beautiful ladies, and my immune system is definitely more stronger, and I'm sure we will be troubling you rather with a lot of queries and inquiries. So please, to the foundation members, please get in touch with us for any products or any services you require from BioResearch. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.
Thank you, Rashi.
Thank
It was
you,
so
Rashi.
lovely. Thank you. Thank you for having us.